Hello everyone, welcome to Drawlipper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable always on display in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down, then go to lock screen. From here scroll down a bit, then tap on always on display. Now by tapping here you can enable always on display. Now always on display is showing always when your device is locked. Now if you select tap to show option from here and then lock your device, you can see always on display is not showing. If you tap on your display, you can see always on display is showing now. Also from here you can change your always on display clock style. You can choose any clock style as you like and then tap on done. Also from here you can adjust always on display brightness, and that is how you can turn on or turn off always on display in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.